Welcome to the Awfer Control Board Functionalities Walkthrough. The board login functionality controls access to the Awfer Control Board using a token-oriented authentication mechanism over secure TCP socket communication. Administrator identity is validated server-side and bound to the current IP address and the physical device, ensuring that tokens remain valid only within the active execution environment. Access is reinforced through email-based multi-factor authentication, and each authentication token is time-limited, automatically expiring and renewing to maintain continuous security. Only verified and authorized administrators are allowed to establish and maintain an active session. The operator can log in by entering his email, then his password, to be able to request a one-time passcode to be received on his email. After entering the passcode, he can log in and establish a secure session.